Hey there, in this video I'm going to be giving you a quick preview of the new color themes that will be generally available in Microsoft Teams in the coming weeks. First things first, you can see that the app bar is no longer purple. It actually matches the background of the rest of the application. Okay. You'll also notice that there has been an update to the design of the icons, the app icons here. This is meant to replicate the Microsoft Fluent design theme. So all of the Microsoft Office applications have recently had their icons revamped to make them more accessible. So you notice that the icons have been updated as well. Okay, and you also notice that there's a bit of a drop shadow in the different panes. So between the Teams pane and the actual Post tab, you can see a bit of a drop shadow there as well. So this is the light theme. Now, if I flip over to the dark theme, you'll notice that it is much more darker than previously. So I'm going to go ahead and switch on the dark theme. And I quite like the dark theme here. Again, you'll notice that this is actually pretty dark. I think the previous theme wasn't as dark as most other applications when you're toggling on the dark theme here. Okay, and you can see here that the icons are sort of purple now when you hover over them as well. Okay, so I'll just kind of flip through so you can see it. I personally find this new dark theme pretty exciting, pretty awesome to use, easier on the eyes. All right, and then last but not least, I'll go ahead and I will switch over to the high contrast theme just to give you an idea again of what the color theme looks like here. So a lot more lines. This is pretty bold and makes everything stand out pretty nicely. All right, so this is just a quick preview of the new Microsoft Teams theme that will be generally available in the coming weeks. I hope you found this preview useful. If you did, please like it, please drop a comment below, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on the latest Microsoft Teams tutorials and new features. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.